Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about amniotic fluid. The amniotic fluid is a fluid around the fetus in the amniotic cavity. So for example, this is fetus and this is uterus. So the fluid around it, it's called amniotic fluid. Now, what is the composition of amniotic fluid? 99% of that is water. 1% are the solvents like protein, glucose, lipid, any waste products like urea, creatinine, sodium, potassium, chlorine, ions, like that. So mostly it's like a water. The osmolality here is 250 milliosmol per liter. 250. You should remember this. The osmolality of plasma is around 300. So it's not that viscoid like plasma. Something less viscoid. What is the volume? See, the volume starts increasing as the pregnancy goes, and it is maximum as 32 weeks and then decreases. At 32 weeks it's around 100 1000 ml, and at the term it decreases to 800 ml. Now, what secretes this amniotic fluid and where it goes after secretion? You need to remember one thing: the whole amniotic fluid is replaced every 3 hourly. So every 3 hourly the whole volume of the amniotic fluid gets secreted and get absorbed simultaneously. Now, from where it originates? In early pregnancy, uh, the amniotic fluid is secreted by diffusion of plasma from maternal tissue into the amniotic fluid. For example, like placenta. Uh, After many weeks of the pregnancy, in between the pregnancy, the most adequate source of amniotic fluid is fetal urine. Fetal urine is the most common and most abundant source of amniotic fluid, followed by fetal lung secretion. There is also some transdermal diffusion is there in early weeks of pregnancy. Transdermal diffusion. Okay. Now, where this all amniotic fluid goes actually? It goes, the fetus swallows it. Simple. The main source of absorption is fetal swallowing, and some diffuse into the placental vessels also. Now, uh, color is very important. It is diagnostic and symptomatic for many things. Normal color is pale straw color. In early weeks of pregnancy, it is very crystal clear, but later half of pregnancy, in later weeks of the pregnancy, it becomes like pale yellow color. Green, green, green amniotic fluid means it is meconium stained. Golden yellow color. In RH incompatibility, the level of bilirubin increases because of the hemolysis is ongoing. So the increased bilirubin levels makes this fluid look like orange or golden yellow color. Greenish yellow color occurs in the post maturity. Yeah, why? So fine. Tobacco juice color. It's like a black curry. It seems like a black curry. It happens in case of long IOD, long term IOD. I mean late IOD. Dark maroon color is done. The color of abdominal fluid is dark maroon when there is a concealed hemorrhage is going on. Is there? Okay. Now, function of the amniotic fluid. Everybody knows that it protects the fetus. It is a cushion, a shock absorber. It maintains the temperature. Two things I want to realize, you people. That is important. First of all, the amniotic fluid have minimal nutrition function. Minimal nutrition function. And the second thing is, amniotic fluid gives the free space the fetal tissue to grow. If fetal tissue want to grow like a very high speed, they need a free environment. And for example, lungs, heart, and every cavity inside the fetus, it's only going to become formed if it gets freedom of developing. So amniotic fluid gives them the space, the freedom to develop itself. So yes, it is a space for fetal growth. And here my lecture ends. Thank you.